Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to find your watch history on TikTok. So let's get started. Click the app, the TikTok app, of course. Great. Now we're going to wait for it. Okay, so this is my account and this is my profile. So we're going to click the three little lines up in the left-hand corner, or right-hand corner, sorry. And then we're going to click settings and privacy. Great. Now we're going to slide down and we're going to find Activity Center right there. Perfect. Click that one. And then we have watch history, comment history, search history, manage post visibility. We have a whole bunch of stuff you can check. And then we're going to click watch history. So I just made this account. So these are a couple of the things that I just watched. I could have even saved some of these or liked them, but even if I didn't, as long as I watched them, they're here. So you can click a couple of them if you want to delete them out of your watch history, and then you just press delete, and then they're gone. But I'm not going to delete any because I don't need any gone. Then you just go back, and then that's how you do it. So with that being said, I hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.